How y'all doing? I had a lot of questions on one of my older videos of a Force 50 horse motor about my Telltale, the pisser, water squirter, whatever you call it. I no longer have that motor, but I do have a Chrysler that I rebuilt. Got a couple other videos of that. Anyway, I'm going to show you, it's the same process on this motor as the Force. So I'm going to show you the real quick rundown on how to do that if your motor doesn't have a visible one. This, most Chryslers and Forces, the water, extra water comes out here, and obviously you can't see that from when you're driving. So in the top of these, the heads, a little touch-up, top of these heads, there's a, it's either going to be a temperature sensor. That's actually here. You might get a one up here, but what this is, there's just a plug in the top of the head. It's really simple. You just go to a hardware store and find you a brass nipple, hose nipple, that's the same threads as that. Take your plug with you. I don't know the threads offhand. Take your plug with you, find the threads, get you a brass hose barb, hook you a little piece of any kind of little nylon hose, plastic hose, and get you another nipple. What I done is just drilled a hole in the cowl and attached it like that, so that is visible from the driver's seat when you look back. It's very simple. That's all it is. You can install it anywhere you want, here, there, anywhere. You could put it in the top of the cowl higher, but then you're going to have to unhook it to get your cowl off. So I'm going to start this motor and show you how this works. So basically when you start the motor, the impeller pumps the water through the head and creates a lot of water pressure, and the excess runs out those spouts in the back. You got plenty of water pressure to do this, so when I fire it up, I'll show you how it's working. So it's a pretty simple process. All your excess water will either be coming out of this. This is your exhaust. This is your leg overflow right here. And obviously the more throttle you give it, the harder this is going to fly out. Your impeller's turning faster. But that's it, guys. Just a piece of hose, a couple of brass nipples is really all you need. You can even, on here, if you wanted to, you could put a 90 or even a 45 street elbow and point it up and out so it'd shoot out like that. It's really up to you guys, but that's how you do it. Nice and simple. All right, later, folks.